I'm here to see the clothing line. It's Alex Russo, who the character I play. It's based on her fashion and her design. So I'm here to perform one of my songs and to see the line.
And for those who aren't familiar with the Disney program, what is the style of your character, Alex?
Alex Russo is very fashion forward. You know, she definitely mixes different designs and accessorizes and layers. So she's kind of known for not only her magic, but mainly for her style.
And incredibly busy at the moment. You're over here for this, as you were saying, you've got a single you're performing this afternoon.
Yes.
The album, you're doing a film as well with Nicole Kidman, is that right? How on earth do you find time to do everything? Because you're at school as well, aren't you?
Yes, I know. I'm enjoying all of it. It doesn't really feel like work when it's a lot of what you love to do. You know, I love my job, so I enjoy all of it.
So what's the film with Nicole Kidman then? What can you tell us about it?
The movie that I am filming is called Monte Carlo, and Nicole Kidman is producing. So I'm very excited and very honored to work with her. It's a comedy, and hopefully people will enjoy it.
And being a young celebrity in Hollywood, there's obviously the press intrusion and all that side of things that come with the wonderful things you get to do. Is that something you're used to? Is that something you ever get used to?
Yeah, I don't think you'll ever get used to people talking about you, or at least I won't. I just try to understand that it comes with the territory and focus on all the positive things and focus on the things that I'm doing.
It's fair to say you're a role model for a lot of young teenage girls. Is that a pressure? Is that something you find quite difficult?
No, not at all. I mean, I love my fans. My fans mean the world to me, so I just try to be the best person I can be, but I'm not perfect, so, I mean, I'm gonna make mistakes, but I try my best to keep those mistakes to myself.
Is there anybody you particularly look up to that you aspire to be one day?
Yeah, I love Rachel McAdams. I think she's such a great actress, and she's also very private about her life, and you pretty much know her for her work and nothing else, and I really admire that about her.
Is that how you would like to go forward?
That's what I'm trying.